Oops, I forgot to actually call block X. So let's go to the third and fourth move. What I'm going to do for third and fourth move is I'm going to say elif the number, I'll just say else. So third and fourth, this is just simply an else block X. So place your move by blocking X. Okay, so now I'm going to run it, and let's test to see that it works. And I'll select medium, and I'm going to go here. I'll go here. I'll better block here. And it should have blocked. Oh, I only did the 3 rows. Let's try it again. Medium, reset game. I'm going to place here. I'm going to place here. I'm going to place a dumb move right here, and you'll see it blocked me. It placed the O to block me. And then I'll place a really dumb move, and it actually wins. So you can see that the AI wins. By the way, you know, if you don't like the corner, what we could do is we could put the block X even earlier. So we could replace all this with block X as our option here. And we could just do blocking always, blocking X. And so now, oops, if I do medium, it's going to place here, and it's going to block right away. And now there's not really a lot, so you can always run the block X. So that may be even a better one than bothering to get additional corners. That might even be smarter. Okay.